do
Hey,
it.
what's funny is I'm gonna make brats, right? I mean, it's not sin.
Need to use your drone to
So I saw
locate a
the
bomb.
said the steak, eggs, and make Cav. Sorry there, Dav. I ain't gonna lie, but it was the S at the start of the name that did it. But got myself before I finished. Glad I did. But anyway,
Be advised
I
your
was gonna
drone has
make like
located a
cheese
bomb.
inside to go with the brat.
Nice. I just got, like every once in a while, I'll get the brick of Velveeta from Walmart, and I'll just do that. So I'll just get the noodles, the Velveeta brick,
No, I
some
get you.
milk and other shit. I'm just
Yeah,
missing
basically
bacon.
make it yourself.
10
That'd be
seconds
great.
before insertion.
Miss some what? What are you missing?
Bacon.
Bacon.
Oh,
5
okay.
seconds
Oh.
before insertion.
I mean, honestly, if you wanted like
You found a bomb.
Status
Make your way
is
to
a
its
little-
location and defuse
Get
it.
Like
away
some
if you
ground
just get-
sausage and bacon makes for a great nap. Who the fuck is on the ground floor? Excuse you?
That was good.
Yep.
Get ready, Dad.
Oh shit.
That's fine. You might have moved. Oh, rest in peace, Eliza. You might want to start moving before you get kicked.
No!
Come out,
wherever you are.
She's droning and lying. Yeah, she was.
Okay, cool.
She was doing shit. She was active. If that's what you're worried about, Pookie.
Yeah, I was.
Yeah. No, she'd been active. I look at the hands. Does that make sense of the ops? Before I put it. Hey, Meep, I'm gonna make a hole here so it gets scared.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got spotted by a scan.
Cav on me! Between you and me, Meep and got like, there's a cav in between us. Just FYI.
Alright, I'm gonna go back down the main
I just
skylight.
saw Thorn.
Heard that.
He was on Tuesday.
Big Brother's coming in for Overwatch.
I hear somebody with me on these stairs.
Oh, there's someone right next to the wall to me.
Oh, maybe I was hearing you.
Oh no, there's
Oh! Oh! It's okay.
Sorry.
It's okay. I couldn't get away fast enough. It's okay. Damn, that's funny as fuck.
You must recover
No,
the diffuser.
I stabbed that cake. That's bullshit.
I saw feet on 2 ping.
I'll
And
watch
feet
the
on
other
4.
Here in a bit.
One op 4 remaining.
Somebody's over here.
Bitch.
Op 4 neutralized. Mission
Good
successful.
shit.
What this op does? We're about to own that point, like on top of how we already owned it. I was gonna steal everything off. Oh, you're about to see the glory.
Hell yeah.
Do we want to just get rid of that so we don't gotta worry about it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Get that
It's
shit out of
like,
here.
I always go mute, and if I see a cav, it's usually my second go-to unless someone says otherwise.
Mm-hmm. I hate dealing with a cav, especially on
Aw,
this
they
map.
don't like me.
They don't like holes.
No more
It's
holes
okay.
for you.
I like holes.
Where there's a window, there's a way.
So do you play Maverick so you can burn in holes? Because you know you can just like make a circle and it'll make a hole, like a big ass.
Well, that's a
hole.
nice thing. If you just
just go
destroy
old
the
school.
top and the bottom of a hard
Yeah, you
breach,
can.
or not
Yeah,
a hard
you-
breach,
yeah.
the hard wall, that disappears,
I
and
know
I
what
can
you're saying.
sledge through it.
Yup.
Anyone got EMP nades?
I can switch during drone phase
Oh,
for
shit.
you.
Okay. I was like,
Okay,
not on this
fine.
odd.
Like, I prefer keeping my regular grenades, but I can sacrifice.
We need to
I can
locate a
switch
bomb.
for you, Pookie,
I'm
since, you know,
chilling.
I'm like the wild card.
My grenades are more for shock factor, anyways.
No, they get kills, whether it be me or the enemy. I
Oh
mean,
no, I know. I have a 50 teammate and enemy operator kill.
Are they same location?
I
Yeah.
love
Advise your drone
I
has
love
located a
it.
bomb.
It's
Castle.
like
Oh,
I
that's
know
funny.
how you play. It's
Ooh,
like
I love me castles. I'm gonna
Oh,
fuck
there
those
is.
up.
Pop, bro.
10 seconds before insertion.
who's on the hard scan with my drone is all
There's
I
a
ask.
zombie.
Insertion in 5 seconds.
I'm in a good spot, not moving.
You've located a bomb. Make your way to its location and defuse it.
I wouldn't say I'm in a good spot per se. I'm gonna try.
I hesitated. I fucking ball.
Is it-
That's a
is it safe?
castle. Not worth it.
Careful, careful guy. I opened up the bottom down here with the breach just to distract.
We got Mira.
Open up this.
Fuck you, Mira.
right here.
Launching tracking drone.
Coming up behind you, me.
Yeah.
Oh god, yep, that was almost really fucking bad.
They were definitely there. Jesus Christ.
Oh, were they?
The fucking fries.
Drone going out.
Fucking peak.
Hi. Okay.
Yeah, that frost is fucking wild.
Yeah.
There you go, God. Gonna keep hard pinging her. She's freaking out. She's
Yeah,
throwing
she-
barriers against the wall. That makes no sense. She's freaking the fuck out from these ping. Nice. Nice. I've lost visual of her.
Throwing
I
frag
got it.
grenade.
Scan assist.
Let's find those
Fucking
sheep.
Thank you.
Planting.
Alright. I can cover in front of you. You're gonna cover the red.
Diffuser is active,
Yeah, sorry.
protected at all costs.
Yeah. I'm on the desk over here. I'm gonna ping where I'm at so you know where my eyes
Riser
are coming
Frost was to
from.
the left.
That's where my drone's set.
Was.
I'm watching through here.
Gotcha. Alright, then I'll watch. I
Actually, I'm
wish
gonna
I
back up
could
a bit
share.
because I can see him come up from this hole.
Yep, there you go.
Op 4 last operator standing.
Oh no, it's never mind. I thought
We win.
I'm playing with
Frag out.
one of them.
oh, yeah. They can't defuse. I was like, yeah, keep
Op 4
playing.
eliminated. Friendly mission
I opened it up
successful.
on that other side too, and I think that I don't think they like any of that. That's
3
right.
or 4 of them up
Nice.
there.
Bro, I am impressed. That was a good. Are we getting
We're
rid
going
of
6-0 right now.
Yeah,
I
get
know,
that mirror out of
6-1.
here.
Don't forget the assist. You gotta give all the credit. 6-0-1. Not only are you taking all the kills, you were generous. Oh,
They didn't ban
why
thermite. They
Why
didn't
me?
ban ther-
They
Yo,
never
what?
banned
Why?
Sledge.
I don't even have a
Alright,
kill.
I don't think they know how to use Cade or Bandit, so I'm gonna switch back to regular
If
frag.
we okay, if they're scared of being closed out, oh, I was just gonna take
I
it
can always
if
switch
you didn't.
back just before
I'll go
drone
in.
phase ends.
If
Just
you
let me
can
know.
take it to sight, like you're gonna do, I'll make sure to follow up with gridlocking.
I found him lacking a
You
couple of
bring it-
times, so
bring
I'm
it to
gonna
sight,
keep doing the
yeah.
lion.
Yeah, the lion helped me out.
Yeah.
No, lion's fucking like.
If they don't stand still, it works.
I wish they could
Well,
make it to where you
even
survive
if they're
the
not
defense,
standing
it wasn't
still,
just
like
a
even if
simple
they
thing
thought of
like that.
moving,
Mm-hmm.
you know, even if they thought of
We
moving,
need to
it's
locate a
just
bomb.
consent.
Stop that castle from moving so I can down him.
Sounds like they're above. Second floor, indeed. Or
Mm-hmm.
third. It's that one.
Valk.
Valk.
I'm going to enjoy this skylight, possibly.
Yeah.
Do
I think they're in the
it.
same place.
Mm-hmm.
10 seconds.
Frost.
Oh, no
Be
skylight.
advised your drone has located a bomb. Insertion in 5 seconds.
I got in. I got
You've
in.
located a
Don't
bomb.
worry.
Make your way to its
Let's
location
see
and
them.
defuse it.
If I can't get kills, I'll be a fucking report. Saw you aiming, didn't want to get a
Oh, Merry Christmas.
Okay.
Reloading!
Well,
I saw her.
Okay.
Like original Lion days where they could like destroy the fucking.
Damn it.
Getting us
They
more
still didn't fucking. Really? That's not what I wanted.
time to make a new
I just got up. It's on. I'm just trying to get somewhere safe.
Oh, that Azami is right there. Oh, it's a
You
clash
brought a
too.
clash?
Oh, it's Ying hours after this one.
I ain't got shit I can use
I'm
against that
fucked
clash
up.
either.
They knew we were at the skylight meet. Careful.
You must recover the
bitch
diffuser.
ass. I swear for God, there's somebody.
Shit.
Deploy track stinger.
Azami's still chilling right here. She's on site. A. Still got beat.
God damn, how many times do I have to shoot?
She pushed up on
I
A.
don't know.
Holy shit.
Nice. Azami's still alive on there.
Yeah.
Clash pushing up hard right here. She's coming
The
in hot.
diffuser is now secured.
Okay.
Throw grenades as well. You'll take negative points for destroying your gridlocks, but it'll clear her out.
Beep. Live pings. Clash and Azami clash. Clash knows.
Trevor, red flash.
Live pings on Clash. Azami's still on A.
Oh, I'm about
Oops,
to run
Trevor.
into the boss.
Yep, yes sir. Careful.
15 seconds left. Op 4 last stop standing.
Hey, this
Nice.
is hey,
Trevor,
this
rush.
clash smoke's on me. You can
10
get it on
seconds
me.
remaining.
Never mind.
Oh no, plant. Go.
Plant. Do it,
5
do it.
seconds remaining.
Oh, I'm sticking it.
Oh no! It rolled! It shouldn't have rolled like that. That's so fucked.
Oh my god, I caused this the game.
That's okay.
But it shouldn't have done that. That's not on you, bro. I would have probably done the same thing.
So they're gonna be a shield using piece of shit.
That's where I'm at. Oh wait, no. That's not what I meant.
All I know is I wasn't aiming for it to do that. I was aiming behind.
Yeah, you're chilling. You're gonna kiss me.
Time is
We'll just hold them out. And if they got a shield, then fuck them.
Oh, they're gonna go shield? Here we go, Leash. Deal with the fucking poison ankles.
I'll burn them up.
I still got 6 seconds. I killed 6 of them, and I died like really fast this past one.
Yep.
We're on round 4. I love you. I'm gonna make mac and cheese again later.
Mac and cheese go burr.
Yep, I'm gonna be making that.
Protect the bombs.
Oh, I have the Velveeta with rock.
Yeah, Velveeta break the blur.
Pop.
Well, I could go for the Velveeta.
Be advised, a bomb location is compromised.
Fucking mighty off.
Yeah.
you know.
Meep.
Changing mags!
This.
I think I came in here and got the good one.
Okay.
You want this to be a rotate?
Down to 10 seconds.
Loading new
Do
mag!
whatever you want. I
Yeah.
don't play sight.
5 seconds left.
I'll get this hatch though.
Throwing an
Op
F
4
now.
has located a bomb. Get ready to engage.
Yen, claw is on.
Needed to cave the outside wall. I was hoping to. Oh, you did. Never mind. I'm retarded, Pete.
Okay.
No,
Okay,
I'm
I was
retarded.
wondering, I was
I'm
like,
sorry.
wait.
No, you. I think it's because the electricity wasn't active, but you already threw it. Does that make sense?
Yeah, I get it.
Placing proximity alarm.
Oh, excuse me.
Either way, I apologize as soon as I realized.
It's okay.
Grenades over here.
Oh, I got action!
Dread mine going out. Mine active and ready.
I hear feet out here.
Firing grenade! F mine out.
Someone hit a trap, which means they're in a doorway or window.
Let's see where they're at. No, fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Get away from that door.
Dread mine prime.
I
I definitely hear
relocated.
someone
Thank you.
moving around opposite side of 2 ping. There's someone over there.
Dispatching grenade!
Oh god. That was bad.
Launching Shumika!
There's traps everywhere through our objectives, so.
Careful,
Mission
me.
critical. Bomb diffuser activated.
Yeah, bitch!
Okay.
Play more.
Stairwell, stairwell.
I should have lit that other one out. I'm playing.
Yeah, I saw you.
Op 4, last operator standing. One friendly remaining.
Oh my god, the Ying's
Behind the bar.
All friendlies were eliminated.
I
Mission
fell so
failure.
hard, and then you walked right by them. Like,
I get where you're coming from, though. I've done that before. Where I'm like, oh, it looks like they're coming from this way.
Wild. I was just
That's
like,
a
wait,
bitch.
where's the bar?
Yeah, get that ying out
the
of here.
bars that you literally
Okay.
walked by. Like, both of
Ying
them were
players.
behind you.
They didn't like Fender.
Oh.
Yeah, fuck y'all too. Oh, well, shit.
Protect the bombs.
Okay.
Vulcan is up. Explosive ordnance is ready.
Op 4 located a bomb. Protect it.
Swapping max.
Ten seconds. down to 5 seconds. Op 4 has located a bomb. Be ready for hostile action.
Proximity alarm. Oh, reinforced!
Volcan is ready. Use it if you have to.
Breaking the window. I might die here.
Lucky last.
I'm gonna die here.
Watch your skylights here too.
Proximity alarm in place.
Shields.
Firing grenade!
All set to jam the meridian.
It's a blitz.
I got an Iana.
I got you. My lesion traps will slow them down if they push. I have them in corners.
Hey, watch that.
Damn it! I didn't know there was a second one up there.
Madoka bitch.
Guess who's getting banned?
Loving the extra fees.
Flashbang from the right. Flashbang from the right.
Mhm.
Otis.
This guy's power back.
Watch behind you.
There's a Mav over here too.
Sounds like there's a lot of movement.
Yep, there's a lot happening. I'm so fucking scared right now. Iana's here. I think the Doka's. They're all over here, I think.
The blitz is still on me.
You might be able to get the.
Grabbing needle.
Now all of
no,
China
no,
knows I'm here. I've got diffuser. Need help.
Just knife him as you
Well,
cleanse it.
I
Oh
don't know why
shit!
that was
Never
red.
mind.
No, 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 no.
All set to
Whenever I
jam
go
the
to get my
meridian.
Op 4
Yeah!
last operator
Shit
standing.
into it.
Okay, thanks.
Well,
Hi.
I have a trap on.
Ah!
Survive.
The Iana's on the green stairs.
Oh, they blew a hole in there.
Yes, they did.
Oh, I hit the wrong thing. I could have fucking tapped her ass too.
Down to 15 seconds. 10 seconds left. One friendly remaining. 5 seconds
rushed.
left.
Survive, just survive, just survive.
Fuck you, bitch.
I saw him pick those thorns to start, not thorns.
I
Fucking
went because she couldn't
The
get
goose.
traps to start throwing them all on the.
I
fucking-
trapped, yeah. I was. I already had two
Stack
on
the
him. I was like,
damage.
yep.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, it's nasty what he does with them.
Yeah.
I am so glad somebody was watching me with that blitz, though.
Yeah, get that
out.
Doka bitch out of here.
It definitely
Fine.
sucks that I wasn't live recording it, because the whole fuck you.
Yeah, that was I was though. I was live recording it.
No.
I'm here live.
I was recording
Oh, solid.
They did not like me.
Excuse me.
It was
No,
no,
they
fuck
did
you,
not.
No, fuck, no.
Legion!
Fuck you, no.
I'm pretty
I
good
hate
at
good
placing
legions like
traps.
you.
Yeah, well, see,
I
that's the
hate to
thing.
see
I
you.
might not be the best marksman, but I know how to utilize the traps
Mm-hmm.
because I know where to put them. Like, it's literally in this ass backwards corner, but it's because you're gonna put your ass in that corner.
Yeah, it's pretty good
Mhm.
at that.
Like-
You're trying to hide.
Yep.
I
literally
accidentally
anticipate when you're going
equipped
to-
Goyo's shotgun last second and ended up with 2
Oh.
kills.
Nice. Oh, the broken stick.
Secure the bombs.
Yeah, what was that?
Alright, I'm gonna not put up
We got
traps
this
to
side.
the side, so someone please watch for.
Op 4 has located a bomb. Be ready for assault.
It is single fire. Not a fan of that.
I love single fire, but is it a rifle or
Getting
shotty?
Volcan set up.
Shoddy.
Shoddy.
Okay. Oh, is it a pump?
My
I
head.
don't like pump.
Oops. Of course I have it.
10 seconds.
Yeah, that was bad. We didn't need that one
Explosive
open
ordnance
at
is
all.
ready.
5 seconds to insertion.
There's another drone in here. I
Bomb
believe.
located by Op 4.
Reloading! Razor's wire up. Ambush set. Stay clear.
Now I'm putting up my strap.
They're in there. Careful.
EDD primed.
Eliza, can you move real quick?
Oh yeah.
I'll get the fuse when it comes through.
Their fuse was in administration.
Sorry.
You got him.
Damn it.
Doorway
Is that a
trapped.
map?
Stay clear of
Fucking
blast.
Somebody on my stairs.
Here, shadows. Three ping is live. They're droning.
And remember, there is a hatch open on site, but I've got a motion under it, so you'll hear when they drop through with that.
They just threw a drone in on me.
They have multiple drones.
Same.
Oh, there's two. Down staircase, someone coming in the door.
2 ping, Ayana is throwing in her thing.
God damn it.
Ayana's moving in 2 ping, closest.
Ah! Habana.
How am I missing? Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, same, like, please don't ever open the hatch here again, Dad. Like, ugh.
I try not to. I try
No.
to remember.
It just counters my bombs.
How about you just win, and then we win.
Right.
One friendly
God.
operator remaining.
Hi.
Oh, fuck, bro.
My bad, gang. Left side.
Don't do it, Trevor.
That door. FPC.
It's gonna be a fake one. Might be real too.
Behind you.
Why did it stop the... I know.
I hear him upstairs.
What? Oh, there we
Mission failed. All friendlies were eliminated.
They really were about to fuck you up, bro.
I
The way that
was
hit
gonna
bottom
die
just
from the
slipped right
push.
in there.
Yeah, well,
I have no loop.
that was...
Camouflage, yeah.
Secure the bombs.
arms down.
145.
Hey, watch out, watch out. God. That's why I bring that.
No, that was shooting
That's
somebody.
exactly... No, that was exactly
Explosive
why.
ordnance.
Bomb location compromised. Plan accordingly.
Oh, you were shooting someone? Oh.
No, I thought I was hitting someone. I was like, oh no.
Deploying explosive ordnance.
10 seconds left.
There's a drone in here. Or what?
5 seconds to insertion.
Yeah, I'm barricaded too.
Op 4 has located a bomb.
Okay.
Not pretty good on this window.
I barricaded just
Sit up.
because let people know when they're coming in. And you just don't get shot. Breaking in.
Yeah, they are.
Getting to my desk.
Spotted by a damn scam.
No shopping for you.
Yeah, they drunk. They know I'm here. I'm stuck here now. So Eliza, need some cover.
Damn it.
They're gonna push me soon.
Otis, hard right, Ayana.
Are they coming from that,
No, hard left.
Yeah, they're
hard left.
pushing me on B.
Well,
Can't hide from me now.
Zero.
Give them a taste of what we can do.
I'm getting this fucking Ayana.
so I got spotted by a damn scam.
Damn it, I should have not done that.
Reload!
Bravo was not moving. It looked like she was trying to stop still.
Ooh, damn!
She was on the other side.
You got 2 of them out there on you.
Yeah, one of them's down. I was trying to be greedy. Mav and Bravo are still out there. Oh, the fucking Habana and me are gonna fight, man.
Is that window? They've been holding that window?
No, it's the other corridor too.
Yeah.
She's like in. Thanks
I
for the
just
kill
spoke to some of this guy
assist.
planting.
Mission critical.
He's here,
Bomb
he's here.
diffuser activated.
I saw.
Op 4,
Nice.
last stop standing.
Defuse, she's down. Isn't she? No, she's not. Never mind.
Shit.
Thought she was fucking.
Ah! Damn it, I
Mission
tried.
failed. All friendlies were eliminated.
There was a lot to deal with at the end.
I thought the last person was like injured.
Nah.
If I did my job, Ayana
downed
wouldn't have been
somebody.
there.
It was Habana.
Hey, well, at least I ain't weight. You know, I don't feel like I'm heavy now.
Yeah,
Feels good.
it's okay. We just have to tie it up and then we're on the last one.
Carry me. Someone should go blitz, run it down the throat. No, I'm joking. It's just all like that. Just
Yeah.
someone doing it. Jesus. Okay, gridlocked in.
You know it. Alright, I need my
She's expressing it in. You go in with the shield. I'll gridlock it. Yeah, we got this. Yeah, like that.
Yeah.
She's reeling it in.
Can I get a yeah?
I will not be able to hear anything.
Yeah.
I will not be able to hear.
What are we listening to?
Glitch Mob right now.
Is that upstairs, that? That's upstairs. Oh, yeah. It's not even.
Be advised your drone has located a bomb.
There we go.
Insertion in 10 seconds. 5 seconds.
We have a class.
Oh shit.
That's
Maybe
okay.
too bad.
Proceed to bomb location and defuse it.
We're fucking melee.
Well, gridlock down. Oh, I beat you slightly. Oh,
Really big fucking holes already when you're all ready.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Popping.
It's about to get on.
Alright, there's a hole.
Big
Woo!
asshole.
I got stunned.
Damn it. Together. I would have gotten shot. Sorry about that.
I covered the 2 ways they could come in on us. So, good luck, because I'm using the castles against them.
Damn.
Good shit, Meep. I'm covering your ass. Hey, Meep, come back. Stay
Come
good.
here! I dare you!
The diffuser is no longer in your possession. Op 4 last
Changing
operator
mags!
standing.
Yes,
The
sir.
diffuser has been recovered.
I'm sorry, Meep. I let you down. That's diffuser.
That Fenrir's in the corner. Up. Yep. There you go.
Don't let me die.
Oh my god.
Method
Diffuser is
rotating
active,
around.
protected at all costs.
I got that covered.
Watch
You
your
keep
feet,
doing it.
Trevor.
Yeah.
No, when you phone, your feet go past. I can get you from the left
Oh,
doorway.
yeah, I know.
Right side,
Friendly,
coming.
last operator standing.
Don't that door.
Stay behind.
Oh, the other.
Come on.
Yeah.
Oh, they don't know?
Wait, my bad. Fuck, I was gonna. Got another just like right.
Damn. They know.
Diffuser was
I
disabled.
covered half my
Mission
red
failed.
box.
Crazy.